If you're watching this video, I know you're worried about our cute, sweet little planet, right? Well, so am I. But do they really explode? I mean, are they some kind of dynamite which will detonate or what? All of these questions will be answered today. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today, we'll talk about black holes. Yeah, all about them. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Those of you who are worried about our planet, but don't have the slightest clue of what a black hole is, you guys have my respect. Don't worry, I'll tell you everything. For the tiniest details of black holes, you can ask Mr. Einstein, but me here can only give you the basic idea. A black hole is a place in space where gravity pulls so much that even light cannot get out. It's like a Bermuda Triangle in space, only 1,000 times stronger. The gravity is so strong in black holes because matter has been squeezed into a tiny space. None of the scientists did it. Don't worry. It's the way our universe is. Normally, this can happen when a star is dying. Yes, stars die. I'll explain it in a while. And the strange part is that because no light can get out, people can't see black holes. They're invisible. Space telescopes with special tools can help find black holes, but the special tools can see how stars that are very close to black holes act differently than other stars. You must be thinking that if it's that strong, it must be of a tremendous size. So, how big are black holes? Black holes can be big or small. Scientists think the smallest black holes are as small as just one atom. These black holes are very tiny but have the mass of a large mountain. And I hope you know what mass is. There are not only the atom-sized black holes, another kind of black hole called stellar, which can weigh up to 20 times more than the mass of the sun. There may be many stellar mass black holes in the Milky Way. The largest black holes are called supermassive. These black holes have masses that are more than 1 million suns together. Let me repeat, 1 million suns together. Scientists have found proof that every large galaxy contains a supermassive black hole at its center. The supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way galaxy is called Sagittarius A. Maybe it was born in November or December, that's why. Anyways, it has a mass equal to about 4 million suns and would fit inside a very large ball that could hold a few million Earths. Okay, I understand that this is way our universe, but there's got to be some reason, some logic that led to the creation of these black holes, no? Of course there is. The smallest black holes formed when the universe began. But the stellar black holes are made when the center of a very big star falls in upon itself, or collapses. This is termed the death of a star, as I mentioned earlier. When this happens, it causes a supernova. A supernova is an exploding star that blasts part of the star into space. Scientists think supermassive black holes were made at the same time as the galaxy they're in. So, what if a supernova occurs now? What if a black hole explodes? Do they explode in the first place? The answer is yes, they can explode. And the best part is that they can explode in several interesting ways, either by detonating themselves or their nearby environments. Let's have a look at what ways can they explode. Number 1. Hawking radiation. You got it right. Stephen Hawking is behind the discovery of Hawking radiations. Back in 1976, Stephen Hawking discovered that black holes are not entirely black, and they're not entirely being black is one of the ways in which they can explode. Hawking found with the help of quantum mechanics that the hole slowly leaks away its energy to infinity by emitting low-energy radiation. Since he was the one who discovered them, he named them Hawking radiation. As long as a black hole isn't sucking in new material, it'll slowly lose mass as it emits Hawking radiation. But the emission of these radiation depends on the size of the black hole. A black hole with a mass of a few million suns only emits 1 packet of light per year. That will take thousands of years to evaporate completely. But the smaller black holes release radiation more quickly. In the last moments of a small black hole's life, the black hole emits so much radiation that it acts like a bomb, releasing an immense amount of energy, radiation, and particles. You can say that the black holes formed a few billion years ago might have come to the point where they explode. So, maybe they're exploding right now. But can these exploding black holes destroy the Earth? Watch till the end of the video to find out. Number 2. Superradiance. Did you know that black holes even spin? Well, now you know. Rotating black holes, called Kerr black holes, create an ergosphere around them. An ergosphere is an elongated region of space where nothing can stay still. Anything that falls toward the spinning black hole begins to orbit around it as the particle enters the ergosphere. I see a sort of a tornado. Do you see one? The rotating spacetime around a black hole can also pull on light. If there are enough photons, they can bounce off of each other or any other wandering particles. The bouncing causes the photons to fall deeper towards the black hole, where they gain energy. They can then get scattered into higher orbit again, then fall back down. With every repeat of the process, and every trip around the black hole, the photon gains energy. This process is called superradiance. If the photon finally breaks free, it will have an enormous amount of energy compared with when it first started its journey. If enough photons participate in the process, they can all come bursting out at once with incredible energy, becoming what's known as a black hole bomb. This superradiant effect shows how powerfully black holes can destroy their environment. Number 3. Disks and jets. The most common way that black holes cause explosions is not through their own self-destruction, but through the sheer power of their overwhelming gravitational force. Supermassive black holes sit in the centers of galaxies, and sometimes large clumps of matter, such as stars, pass too close. When that happens, the star gets torn to shreds from tidal effects, and this tearing process releases an explosive burst of energy. Astronomers on Earth can witness this release of energy as a brief but intense flare of X-ray and gamma-ray radiation. Besides shredding up stars, these giant black holes frequently swallow the huge amount of matter that revolves around them. This makes the accretion disks reach temperatures of billions of degrees, making them the brightest objects in the universe. A single glowing disk can outshine over 1 million galaxies at once. Rihanna should have said, "Shine bright like an accretion disk." Anyways, the disks wind up electric and magnetic fields that funnel some of the disk material around the black holes, and thin jets that reach for tens of thousands of light years. But this is not the end. I can't wrap up without answering your million-dollar question. Can a black hole destroy the Earth? Well, according to NASA, Earth will not fall into a black hole because no black hole is close enough to the solar system for Earth to do that. Even if a black hole has the same mass as the Sun, Earth will not fall into it. Rather, it will orbit in the same way it's orbiting the Sun right now. NASA further revealed that the Sun will never turn into a black hole because it's not a big enough star to make a black hole. So, I guess we're safe for now. Anyways, that was it from my side. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to press that thumbs up button. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on our future updates. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.